The biggest lie I was ever told was that red stains are permanent and there's nothing you can do about them. I used to panic every time my kids spilled Kool-Aid on the couch or when I accidentally dropped red wine on my favorite shirt. Like I literally threw away so many clothes because I thought those bright red stains were just impossible to get out. I tried everything, dish soap, baking soda, even those expensive stain removers from the store. Nothing worked, and I was getting so frustrated watching my family's clothes and furniture get ruined over and over again. Then I discovered this Pro's Choice Red One Food Dye Color Remover, and honestly, it's been a total game changer. This stuff is specifically made for synthetic food dyes like Kool-Aid, red wine, and all those crazy colored drinks my kids love. What I love about it is how simple it is to use. You just apply it directly to the stain, let it sit until you see the color start to change, then rinse it out. The 32-ounce bottle is the perfect size and it doesn't leave any weird residue behind like some other cleaners do. I've used it on everything from my white shirts to our living room carpet, and it works on all of them. The rapid action formula really does work fast. I can literally watch the red stain disappear before my eyes. Last week, my daughter spilled an entire cup of cherry Kool-Aid on our beige couch, and I didn't even stress about it. I grabbed this remover, applied it, waited a few minutes, and boom, the stain was completely gone. It has over 50 reviews with a solid 4-star rating, so I'm definitely not the only one who's obsessed with this product. Now, I actually keep a bottle in my laundry room and another one in my cleaning supplies because I never want to be without it. For stubborn stains, you can reapply it and even use a steam iron with a wet towel for extra power. Honestly, this has saved me so much money on replacing clothes and furniture. If you're tired of throwing away perfectly good items because of red stains, you need to try this. Check the link in my bio to grab your own bottle. Trust me, you'll thank me later.